I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your balance on Rogers Prepaid is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the steps. Step 1. Open the My Rogers app. Download and open the My Rogers app on your smartphone. This app is the easiest way to manage your account and check your balance. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, find the Account Overview section. This is typically located on the main dashboard of the app. Step 4. Check your balance. In the Account Overview, your balance will be displayed prominently. Look for the Balance section to see your current amount. Step 5. Use this code optional. Alternatively, you can check your balance by dialing *611 on your phone. This will prompt an automated message with your balance details. Just a heads up, sometimes the app may take a moment to refresh, so if you don't see your balance right away, give it a minute. I hope this helps you keep track of your balance easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.